Hello, friends. It is time for Writer's Workshop. So, today is the second day of focusing on opinion concluding paragraphs. We learned yesterday that a conclusion paragraph for opinion writing has to do two things. And we learned that first, we need to kind of use some transitional word or phrase to begin our conclusion paragraph. So, we might say things like in conclusion or to sum it up, as you can see. And after we use that transition, we're going to restate or retell the reader what our opinion is. And then our next sentence, we're going to call the reader to action, where we're going to tell the reader what we want them to do or feel now that they know what our opinion is and our reasons for having that opinion. So, in yesterday's assignment, you made your own concluding paragraph by just simply putting two sentences. And so in yesterday's assignment, you restated your opinion and you called to action based off of the prompt, should pets be allowed at school? And what you're going to do today is you are going to take what you did yesterday and you're going to copy and paste that here into this green box. But we want to make sure it looks like a complete paragraph. So in complete sentences, you're going to fill out the box to help you write your conclusion paragraph in complete paragraph form. Okay, so for example, this was what my friend had written for her conclusion paragraph, and these were her two sentences. Here's her restated opinion, where it says, in conclusion, I believe that a guinea pig will make a super addition to our class. And then her call to action, hopefully my teacher and classmates will choose a guinea pig as our class pet, our classroom pet. So what she would do for this assignment is first we're going to take that restated opinion sentence and you're going to highlight this. Then you could do Control-C or right-click and you're going to copy. After you copy that, you're going to come to your day 2 assignment. And here it also tells you, remember, type here, it says make sure to use transition phrase for your before you restate your opinion. So if you haven't put in something like in conclusion or as you can see, make sure you start with that. But since this author already did that, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to highlight and delete what was written, and then I'm going to Control-V and paste in what we took from that green box right here from yesterday's assignment. So, and remember, for every new paragraph, we want to indent this. So I'm going to press the tab right there. So this was my restating opinion sentence. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to take my call to action sentence. And once again, I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to copy or Control-C. Then I'm going to go to today's assignment and I'm going to make sure I put that right there next to that period. And I'm going to Control-V and paste that in. Now this looks like a complete paragraph. And once again, I restated my opinion and I then called to action. Those are the two sentences that we have to have in our conclusion. Double check, make sure you look for capitals at the beginning of your sentences, punctuation. We shouldn't see any red squiggly lines, which means there's a spelling error. So use that spell check and read it over to really make sure it makes sense. That's your assignment for today. Let's go be writers.